So according to sa video na napanood ko, kailangan talaga is 4 to 6 weeks kang nasa bahay, just for the government to find out if you are infected or not. Because within or after those time, they would realize that you are infected.
Didn't even get to cross.
Welcome guys to my channel. This is nomadriderph, and this is day 2 of the community quarantine. Kung sinabi ko kanina, yung video ko rin ng umaga, maandar ako bigla na mata-headlight ko because my headlight is already dead. So I'm gonna check this later. Hindi ako pwede pumasok na ganito na wala akong headlight lagi. Malamang wiring to. May headlight ako, kaya malamang nasunog na naman yung wire kasi sobrang init kasi, sobrang lakas ng dual headlight kasi ang ang skydrive. So naka park light lang ako. At wala akong headlight. Sorry guys kung medyo madilim yung yung camera ko. Wala akong headlight And look at the whole area. It's a ghost town. Walang checkpoint ngayon doon sa ilalim ng tulay Buti na lang maliwanag ang metro. So I don't need a headlight yet. Pero mamaya ayusin ko. Pulling down the visor is not helping. Lalo kung di makakita, oh my god, bigla dumilim. Wala na po akong headlight. So mamaya, iisipin ko paano ko makapaandar headlight ko. Baka gamitin ko yung warning. At yun ang tuwing kong headlight. Ayun, meron na. Meron ang checkpoint. Kahapon wala yan, ngayon meron na. Content, baby. So going back tayo sa topic about kay umbrella virus. So si umbrella virus, ang kanyang incubation period, hindi pala 2 to 3 weeks. It's 4 to 6 weeks. So within that time period, if you get infected, you're going to infect everybody. Kumbaga sa pagiging zombification, di ba? Pagka na-zombie ka, yung mga palabas na zombie, pag kinagat ka, sooner or later, yung virus kakagat, tas kakainin yung mga cells mo hanggang sa maging zombie ka na rin. Dito naman, binahingan ka, inubuhan ka, o kaya yung laway niya, diba yan? Gari, umubuhin sa kamay niya, tapos yung kapit yun sa kamay niya, umubo siya, kinapit siya somewhere, sabihin natin sa escalator o kung saan man. Sarap. Yun, so balik tayo sa usapan. So automatic carrier ka na, and after 1 month uubo-ubo ka na, kakasakit ka na, and that will be the time it's already too late. You're already infected. So my problem right now is wala akong headlight. I still don't have any funds to buy a new headlight. Private kasi siya. So lahat ng mga tindahan, 7-Eleven, mga bangko, sarado na. This is day 2 after the president has announced that community lockdown. So kinakatakot ko, balang araw baka pati gasolinahan sarado na rin. Kaya iniisip ko, mag-hoarding na kaya ako ng gasolina, kasi malapit lang kami sa gasolina. Hoarding na ang gasolina, siguro mga at least mga 3 gallons, 4 gallons, just enough to sustain my horse. Hirap na ganito. Now, gawa ko yung disclaimer, we're not forced to go to work. At the end of the day, kasi walang kikitain, kailangan namin magtrabaho. And this is the only way for us to earn money, is to go to work, risking ourselves in the process. Anyways, I'll try to vlog a daily, I'll try to vlog daily regarding on this. Now, again, thank you for watching my videos. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. It greatly helps me as a creator and the channel. With that said, like I always say, stay humble, be true, ride safe. Peace out, Joe.